Are you looking for the best tennis rackets? In this video, we will look at some of the 5 best tennis rackets on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Wilson Hyper Hammer 5.3. The Hyper Hammer has been a long-time fave of tennis newbies for 25 years. This best-selling Wilson racket features a lightweight design that makes for easy swinging, which is great for long sessions on the court without the typical shoulder and elbow pain. It's nearly effortless to create powerful spin, too, enabling beginners to quickly progress and learn new shot shapes. Plus, it's surprisingly balanced, allowing beginners to feel confident in their serves. We also love the oversized, 110 square inch head that's more forgiving on off-center hits and provides noobs with plenty of real estate for easier serves and returns. What sold us on the latest Hyper Hammer, though, was the price. It's essentially a mid-range racket with a beginner-friendly price tag, making it an easy recommendation for budget-conscious shoppers who are new to the game. Number 2. Babolat Boost S. Well-designed and loved by players at every level of the game, including numerous professionals, you can't go wrong with a Babolat. In fact, Machi told us that Babolat is a brand that I always come back to. The Boost series, including the Boost S, is purpose-built for beginners with everything you need, and nothing you don't. It's designed to add an extra boost to your returns while maintaining a comfortable, controlled feel that excels in every aspect of the game. The 10-ounce construction is light enough for effortless swings, but meaty enough to hammer through shots. Like the Wilson Hyper Hammer 5.3, it's right in the sweet spot of affordability, even more so, making it very approachable for beginners looking to level up from most typical entry-level rackets. Number 3. Wilson Clash 108 V2. We'll get this out of the way. The Clash 108 V2 isn't cheap. But for those who know they're in it for the long haul or simply enjoy the finer things, this is the most comfortable racket a beginner can buy. It balances that comfort with responsive power and control for above-average accuracy and control on the court, making it ideal for players working on every part of their game. Plus, the enlarged sweet spot improves forgiveness and prevents mis-hits, must-haves for beginners. If you're balking at the price, keep in mind that a racket of this caliber will last you years of regular play when compared to most cheaper, read sub-$100 models. Every beginner should consider making an investment on this model first before looking at a sub-$150 racket. Number 4. Head Geo Speed. Another value pick from one of tennis's most trusted brands, the Geo Speed has a large hitting surface and strong, durable construction, 2 hallmarks of a top-tier beginner racket. The long, 27.5-inch length is helpful for small players with short swings, but is also beneficial for all players who are just starting to play. No one is going to mistake this for a premium pro-level racket, but for new players or anyone looking to add a recreational stick to their gear closet for occasional weekend play, we love the feature-to-dollar ratio of this model. Number 5. Wilson Burn 100 ULS V5. Yes, the latest Burn racket looks effortlessly cool on the court. But it's also a stellar pick for players seeking a lightweight, easy-swinging racket that eases strain on the joints, especially for marathon sessions. It's more stable and maneuverable than most, making it a great choice for beginners. Plus, it comes in at a palatable middle-of-the-pack price point, and makes up for its lightweight with a stiff, powerful carbon fiber construction. This is the Goldilocks racket when compared to the 3 Wilson rackets we recommend in this guide.